Hey you guys, welcome back to Lisa and Company. I am so excited for today's video because it's finally time for the Winter Porch Tour collab. That's right, Heidi over at Happily Thriving Heidi has got us all back together again, and we are gonna have the cutest houses on the block. We do this 4 times a year, so make sure you check out all the playlists with all the great porches from the seasons. So let's get going and see what we've got for you today, because up here in Canada, I even ordered snow for this winter tour. Stay tuned. If you're coming over from one of the other channels, welcome to Lisa and Company. Please say hello down in the comments, hit that subscribe button, and then you'll be notified every time we upload a video. Now let's do this. My theme for the porch this winter is Winter Wonderland Playground. I live in an incredible part of Ontario, and we ski, we toboggan, we do all kinds of great outdoor activities all year. Because really, if we didn't, we'd pretty much be locked up for 6 months of the year. So I have a few things on the porch to represent that. I got this really cute sled over at HomeSense, and of course it's got snowflakes. I have a pair of skis that I actually picked up at the ReStore and painted with a cute little wreath from Dollarama. A tree with some beautiful lights, and my great new mat that I picked up on my IKEA haul. I'm going to add that in the description so you can take a look at it. I love using my Cricut to make pillows. So I get these great pillow covers from IKEA. They're 100% cotton and they wash like anything. I've already cut out the design on my Cricut and I'm just ironing it on, following the manufacturer's instructions. We're going to talk about this in another video. While I'm adding some glitter snowflakes, tell me if you know where I smell snow comes from. Leave it down in the comments. I'm curious. Let's get this started. We're putting the new red pillows out on the settee we painted earlier this summer. I'm going to leave that in the description box and link it up here so you can take a look at what got this porch started. Do you remember my crochet wreath? This great square wire wreath form from the Dollar Tree was the beginnings of my great sweater wreath. Make sure you check out that video because it is unusual and I was so happy with the results. It did get a little makeover this time with a buffalo plaid ribbon over top of the crocheted one. Even though we don't use the porch in the winter, I want it to be a welcoming place for our guests when they arrive, especially over the holidays. These pops of red are exactly what the porch needed just to bring it up to life. Now check it out. Look who's hanging here. Yep, that's my sidekick Charlie. My new porch sign for the winter is actually made on an old tabletop, and then I used my Cricut to cut out the design. Okay, you guys, that is it for today. If you were coming over from one of the other channels, please make sure you stop, say hello down in the comments, and hit that subscribe button. We have so many things planned for the holidays, and even better, we are so close to that first 1,000 subscribers. So why don't you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and then you will never miss out on one of the videos. See you next time, and thanks again for stopping by Lisa and Company.